There is one simple marketing strategy that could double your Epoxy table sales, and chances are you're not using it. Stick around and I'll break it down for you. If your Epoxy tables don't look amazing in pictures, you are going to struggle with sales. A customer's first impression is usually based on what they see online. That is why professional high quality photos are a must. Use natural lighting to highlight the dent and color of the resin. Show close-ups of the wood grain and the glossy epoxy finish. Capture different angles so potential buyers can fully appreciate the craftsmanship. Video content is just as important. A 360-degree view of a finished table gives customers a better sense of scale and detail. Behind the scenes videos of the table making process build trust and show the effort that goes into each piece. Time-lapse videos of resin pouring and finishing can be mesmerizing, drawing in potential buyers who might not even be looking for the table in the first place. Social media is one of the most effective tools for marketing Epoxy tables, but simply posting pictures isn't enough. You need to engage with your audience, build a community, and create content that gets shared. Instagram and Pinterest are great platforms for showcasing stunning Epoxy table designs. Use high-quality images, post regularly, and include relevant hashtags like #EpoxyTable, #woodworking, and #custom furniture to reach more people. Facebook is a great place to connect with DIY enthusiasts and potential buyers. Facebook Marketplace can be a powerful selling tool, and posting in local community groups can attract customers looking for custom furniture. TikTok and YouTube offer massive potential for organic reach. Short-form video content showcasing the table making process, customers' reactions, and transformation clips can go viral, bringing in thousands of potential buyers. One key strategy is to share user-generated content. When customers receive their Epoxy tables, encourage them to post pictures and tag your business. Seeing real people using and loving your work build trust with future buyers. A great product listing does more than just describe a table. It sells the experience of owning it. Your description should paint a picture of how the table will enhance the buyer's space instead of just saying, handmade Epoxy river table with walnut wood. Say, a stunning handcrafted Epoxy river table made from premium walnut wood, designed to be the centerpiece of your home. The deep blue resin mimics the flow of water, creating a mesmerizing effect that draws attention and admiration. Whether placed in a modern living room, a luxurious office, or a high-end dining space, this one-of-a-kind table adds warmth and elegance to any environment. Use sensory words to help buyers imagine how the table will feel and look in their space. Highlight unique details like live edge finishes, metallic pigment, or custom leg designs. Pricing should also be clearly explained. If a table is high-end, don't just list the price, justify it. Mention the quality of materials, the time-intensive process, and the fact that each table is a unique work of art. If people can't find your Epoxy tables online, they can't buy them. Search engine optimization helps your website and product listings shows up when potential buyers search for custom furniture. Use keywords that customers are actually searching for, like custom Epoxy river table, live edge resin table for sale, and handmade Epoxy dining table. These terms should appear in your product titles, descriptions, and even image file names. Having a blog on your website with articles like how to choose a perfect Epoxy table for your home, or why live edge tables are the ultimate statement pieces, can also help bring in organic traffic. When buyers find useful content on your website, they are more likely to trust your brand and make a purchase. Most people won't buy an Epoxy table the first time they see it. They might love the design, but need time to think about the purchase. That is why email marketing is so important. It keeps your business in front of potential buyers until they are ready to buy. Offer a small discount or a free design consultation in exchange for their email. Send them updates about new designs, behind the scenes content, and special offers. Personalized emails work best. If someone was interested in a blue resin table, send them an email when you release a new design in that color. While having your own website is great, selling on established marketplaces can bring in extra sales. Etsy, eBay, and even Amazon Handmade allow Epoxy table makers to reach a larger audience. Etsy is especially good for selling custom tables since many buyers on the platform are looking for unique handcrafted pieces. Offering customizations like different resin colors or wood choices can make your listings more attractive. On eBay, auction-style listings can sometimes drive up prices, especially for one-of-a-kind pieces. Amazon Handmade gives access to a huge customer base, but competition can be tough. Having strong product images and detailed descriptions is key to standing out. Some of the best customers of high-end Epoxy tables are interior designers and real estate agents. These professionals are constantly looking for unique pieces to stage homes and design luxury spaces. Reaching out to interior designers through Instagram or LinkedIn can open up new sales opportunities. Offer special trade discounts for bulk purchases and create a catalog for your best work that designers can show to clients. Real estate agents staging high-end properties often need furniture that makes a statement. If they use your Epoxy table to stage luxury homes, buyers might end up purchasing the table along with the house. If you want to scale your Epoxy table business quickly, running paid ads can be a game changer. Facebook and Instagram ads let you target specific audiences like homeowners interested in home decor, luxury furniture buyers, or people who have recently moved. A well-placed ad showing a stunning Epoxy river table in a beautifully styled room can generate sales instantly. Google Ads helps your website appear at the top of search results when people look for custom Epoxy table for sale. At the end of the day, marketing isn't just about selling, it's about building a brand that people recognize and trust. Consistently branding across your website, social media, and packaging creates a professional image. Having a memorable business name, a strong logo, and a unique style sets you apart from competitors. Customer reviews and testimonials are also crucial. When people see positive experiences from past buys, they feel more confident in making a purchase. Encouraging happy customers to leave reviews on your website or Google can make a huge difference. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.